Hello friends, it's Ritvika here with my show Mind Game with Ritvika, and today I am going to talk about the upcoming ICC Women's World Cup qualifiers 2021 in Zimbabwe. It's going to happen, and it's starting from November 21st, and 10 teams are going to fight it out for those three spots that are left in the World Cup of next year in 2022. Five teams have already qualified. India, then defending champion England, then South Africa, hosting nation New Zealand, and of course the mighty Aussies. So I am going to share all the things that you need to know about the tournament, like the fixture, or which are the team that going to participate in this tournament and everything. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it. Hello friends, so let's start this. The ICC Women's Cricket World Cup qualifiers 2021 will begin on 21st November Sunday in Zimbabwe. Yes, Zimbabwe is the hosting country for the qualifiers. But Sri Lanka were supposed to host the qualifier in July 2020, but the tournament was postponed due to COVID 19, as well as the World Cup, which was supposed to happen this year in February and March. Uh, so, Zimbabwe is hosting the tournament this time. Now, let's move on to uh, like uh, 10 teams are divided, like 10 teams are going to play this tournament for the three spots that are left in the World Cup to play next year. So the 10 teams which are competing in these qualifiers are divided into two groups, and in the group A there are West Indies, Sri Lanka, Ireland, Papua New Guinea, and Netherlands. And in the group B there are Pakistan, Bangladesh, Thailand, Zimbabwe, and USA. And you can watch all the matches on icc.tv. And in the and I don't know, in icc.tv the matches may be geo restricted for India, so you can watch all the matches on Fancode, as Fancode officially uh, replied, like they are going to stream the qualifier matches, so you can watch the matches there. So now let's move on to the fixtures. The tournament, ICC Women's World Cup qualifier. It's So the tournament is going to happen from November 21st to December 5. And now let's move on to the fixtures. So as you can see, like the tournament is going to start from 21st, and in the first day, Bangladesh and Pakistan, uh, the Asia the Asian rivals, will compete against each other. Then Thailand and Zimbabwe, then West Indies and PNG, and Ireland and Netherlands from the European. They are the European teams only. And then now. Uh, the point is, there won't be a knockout stage for the qualifiers. Yes, rather, the 10 teams are divided into two groups, with the top 3 teams from each group will progress to the Super 6 stage. The so the stage and the group stage points will be carried over to the Super 6 stage. And the top 3 teams in the Super 6 stage will qualify for the World Cup next year, and the top 5 teams will qualify for the ICC Championship, the next edition of the ICC Championship, which has been expanded from 8 teams to 10 teams now. So, which is a very good thing for women's cricket. And now, uh, like as you can see, in the fixtures, in the four venues of the qualifiers matches, as well as The warm up games will be played, and the four venues are Old Hararians, Harare Sports Club, Sunrise Cricket Club, and Takashinga Cricket Club. So now, so that's it from the what are the basic things you need to know before you watch these are the basic details you need to know about the tournament. Now, as like in the next video, I will tell all the squad details of the teams that are going to compete here. In the next video, I will tell in a more detailed manner about the teams, like all the 10 teams, like who will be the key players to watch, and of course, like the changes in the captaincy and everything, in the so I will tell everything in the next video. And now, what you can see is that, like before the qualifiers, there will be two series. One is West Indies versus Pakistan, and another is Bangladesh versus Zimbabwe. Like Bangladesh is touring to Zimbabwe for the qualifiers, but before that they are going to compete with them, against them, and you can see the schedule, uh, from 10th November to 15th November. They are going to play against each other. So it will be these series are going to be preparatory series. So uh, to know more about these teams, you can watch these games, as I have mentioned all the schedule in the IST, Indian Standard Time. Like, so you can watch these matches. I hope they are going to stream, like the West Indies versus Pakistan matches will be streamed on YouTube, in the Pakistan Cricket YouTube channel, and the Zimbabwe matches are going to be streamed on Zimbabwe Cricket YouTube channel. I hope so. I haven't got the official announcements, but I hope they will stream there. So keep an eye, definitely, and do watch these matches. And yeah, and I will share everything about the squads in the next video. So keep an eye on my channel, do subscribe my channel, do share the video if you like it, and yeah, press the notification bell to get the notifications of my video. So okay, till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe.